Alright minivan fans, get ready. Today I'm breaking down every Chrysler Pacifica trim level in detail with all the tech and safety features you need to know. Whether you want a budget-friendly family hauler or a luxury tech-packed cruiser, Pacifica has a trim for you. Let's dig into the details. Let's start with the 2017 to 2020 models. The LX trim is your entry point. Standard features include stow-and-go seating, keyless entry and ignition, tri-zone climate control, a 7-inch Uconnect touchscreen, Bluetooth, a rear-view camera, and rear parking sensors. You'll also get blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Impressive for a base model. Move up to the Touring or Touring L trims and you add power sliding doors, power liftgate, heated front seats and steering wheel, remote start, and satellite radio. Safety tech expands with rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The Touring L also brings leather upholstery and driver assist features like rear parking assist. The Touring L Plus is the entertainment hub, dual rear touchscreens, a Blu-ray player, 13-speaker Alpine audio, navigation, and a 360-degree surround view camera. You'll also get heated second-row seats, ambient lighting, and advanced safety like front parking sensors and automatic emergency braking. The limited trim is the luxury pick. Nappa leather seats, ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, hands-free sliding doors and liftgate, built-in stow and vac vacuum, navigation, and premium audio. Tech highlights include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and parking assist. For 2021 and newer, Pacifica got a big refresh, now with available all-wheel drive and a major tech upgrade. All trims now feature the Uconnect 5 infotainment system on a huge 10.1-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and multiple USB ports. Standard safety includes blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and forward collision warning with active braking. The Select trim is your well-equipped base. Cloth seats, tri-zone climate, power sliding doors, power liftgate, and all the new standard safety tech. The Sphere package adds unique wheels, interior accents, and extra driver assist features if you can find it. The Limited and Pinnacle trims are loaded. Quilted Nappa leather, ventilated seats, hands-free doors, Harman Kardon premium audio, built-in navigation, and the FamCAM interior camera to keep an eye on the kids. You also get parking assist, 360-degree camera, and advanced adaptive cruise control with stop and go. The Pinnacle takes it further with a suede headliner, exclusive quilted leather captain's chairs, a rear seat entertainment system, and even a built-in center console cooler. Plug-in hybrid models are available in Touring L, Limited, and Pinnacle trims. You get up to 33 miles of electric range, all the latest Uconnect tech, and most of the same luxury and safety features, though you lose stow and go in the second row and towing capacity is reduced. So, which Pacifica trim fits your needs? If you want the basics with great safety, go Select or LX. For family tech and comfort, Touring L Plus or Limited. If you want every luxury and tech feature, Pinnacle is your ride. And if you want electric driving, the PHEV Pinnacle gives you luxury and efficiency. Just remember the seating trade-offs. Got more questions about Pacifica trims or tech? Drop them below. I'll help you find your perfect match.